A Shark cordless vacuum that isn't charging can be caused by several issues. First, power source issues may be the culprit. Ensure the charging dock is securely plugged in and try a different outlet to rule out electrical problems. Inspect the power cord for damage or incorrect connections, and replace it if necessary. If the power source is functioning properly, battery problems may be to blame. Over time, batteries can lose their ability to hold a charge. To troubleshoot, remove the battery and inspect it for signs of wear, such as swelling, leaks, or corrosion around the terminals. Clean the battery contacts and the vacuum's battery compartment contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth to ensure a good connection. If the battery still doesn't charge, it may need to be replaced with a new one to ensure compatibility and safety. Another possible cause is the accumulation of dust and debris on the vacuum's charging contacts, which can prevent a proper connection. To fix this, unplug the charging dock and clean the metal contacts in the charging dock and vacuum with a soft, dry cloth. For stubborn grime, a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol can be used, but be sure to dry the contacts before charging. Regular cleaning will help maintain a reliable charging connection and extend the life of the vacuum. By addressing these potential issues, you should be able to fix a Shark cordless vacuum that isn't charging.